Good morning, students. So, continuing our chapter number 8, Carts and Wheels. Student, in this module, we will learn what do you mean by center of the circle. Then, what is the definition of radius? What do you mean by diameter? And what is the circumference of the circle? So, this we will learn one by one. You have to note down all the definitions and you have to learn it. Certain points also given in this module. You have to note down that points also and go through it. You have to learn that points also. Okay. So, first is center. What do you mean by center of the circle? As the name indicated, center. Center means middle point. Exact middle point. So, the center of the circle is defined as the point in the middle of the circle. जो आपका middle point है circle का, that is known as center. You can see here middle point, उसके पास लिखा है center. So, हम center ना लिख के we will give some name. You can write down O. We can named as O or you can named as C. So, that is the center of the circle. Note down the definition. The center of a circle is defined as the point in the middle of the circle. You have to draw a circle also और उसका middle point check करो. Put a dot, एक point बनाओ and named it as O. That is the center of the circle. Next, what do you mean by radius of the circle? In the last activity you have seen some children, they have taken nails and a rope. A thin rope and a nails they have taken, and with the help of that rope and nail they are trying to make a circle. So the length of the rope used is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. तो उनका जो लेंथ था रोप का, दैट इज द लेंथ ऑफ द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. किसी ग्रुप का लेंथ ऑफ द रोप कम था, सो दे हैव मेड स्मॉलर सर्कल, और जिनका लेंथ ऑफ द रोप ज़्यादा था दे हैव मेक द बिगर सर्कल. रानीस ग्रुप का लेंथ था 2 मीटर और राहुल्स ग्रुप का लेंथ ऑफ द रोप था 8 मीटर. तो रानी के ग्रुप का सर्कल स्मॉल सर्कल बना और राहुल के ग्रुप का सर्कल सबसे बिगेस्ट बना. सो in that activity the length of the rope used is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. तो हमारा जो साइज होता है सर्कल का, that depends on the radius of the circle. For example, here you can see in this slide you can see the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter. अब ये 4 centimeter हमने कैसे कैलकुलेट करा? We can measure this length with the help of our scale or ruler. उससे हम फ्रॉम द मिडिल ऑफ द सर्कल में हम अपना स्केल रखेंगे 0, और जो हमारा बाउंड्री ऑफ द सर्कल है वहाँ तक हम अपने स्केल को रखेंगे एंड वी कैन कैलकुलेट द लेंथ ऑफ द रेडियस. ओके, सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल? द स्ट्रेट लाइन फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द circumference of the circle or sphere, that is known as radius. Radius should be straight line, और स्ट्रेट लाइन कहाँ से कहाँ तक होती है? फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल टू द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल और स्पीयर. दैट इज द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल. यू कैन नोट डाउन द डेफिनेशन. अ स्ट्रेट लाइन फ्रॉम द सेंटर टू द circumference of the circle or sphere, that is known as radius of the circle. Okay, so this radius should be in a straight line. और straight line कहाँ से कहाँ तक होगा? From the center to the circumference. Center से लेके एक बाउंड्री तक हमारा जो straight line है उसको अगर हम मेजर करेंगे, उसका अगर हम लेंथ निकालेंगे, that length is the radius of the circle. Next, students, what do you mean by the diameter of the circle? So radius हमने देखा from the center to the circumference. अब diameter हम देख रहे हैं from one side of the circle to the next side of the circle, but through the center. So diameter, again it is a straight line. the diameter goes straight across the circle through the center. It is a straight line across the circle and it passes through the center of the circle. So you can see the distance from one point on a circle through the center to another point on the circle, that is known as diameter. Diameter is the longest distance across the circle. And one more thing, diameter is twice the radius. For example, अगर radius of the circle is 4 centimeter, तो diameter कितना होगा? Diameter is 8 centimeter. Diameter is double that of the radius. Okay, or we can say radius is half that of the diameter. Next, what do you mean by circumference of the circle? So the length of the boundary of the circle, the total length of the boundary of the circle, that is known as circumference. You can see here, जो boundary of the circle है उसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है circumference. So the total length of the boundary of the circle, outer boundary of the circle, that is known as circumference. So circumference is the distance once round the circle. You can note down the definition of circumference. The circumference is the distance once round the circle. That is known as the circumference. Circumference is the boundary of the circle. तो अगर total boundary का आप measure करेंगे, so that is known as the circumference of the circle. Now let us revise. In the middle, you can see a blue point, that is the center of the circle. Middle point से circumference तक जो straight line है, that is the radius of the circle. Or diameter goes across the circle. It goes straight across the circle through the center. And the circumference is the distance once round the circle. You can see the longest chord of the circle is diameter. सर्कल में सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट कोड कौन सी होती है? दैट इज द डायमीटर. द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज हाफ ऑफ द डायमीटर. डी इज इक्वल टू 2r. डायमीटर कितना होता है? डबल ऑफ रेडियस. डी इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू आर मीन्स रेडियस. डबल. डायमीटर इज डबल ऑफ द रेडियस एंड रेडियस इज हाफ ऑफ द डायमीटर. Either you can say radius is half of the diameter, d divided by 2, diameter divided by 2, or you can say diameter is double of radius, d is equal to 2 into r. Okay students, this the formulas to find out radius or diameter, this we will see in the next chapter. One more thing, the diameter goes straight across the circle through the center. So diameter is also a straight line across the circle through the center. Radius की भी straight line है from the middle of the circle to the circumference of the circle. So students, you have to note down, you have to draw a circle. Okay, middle point आप निकालेंगे उसमें, that is the center of the circle. You have to write down the definition of the center of the circle. Again you have to draw a circle from the middle point to the circumference. उसका आप calculate कर लेना with the help of your scale. You can write down what is the radius of the circle, कितना उसका measurement है, 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter or 2.5 centimeter, जो भी है you write down that and you have to write down the definition of the radius. Third में again you have to draw a circle. Middle point से you have to draw a straight line across the circle through the center, that is the diameter of the circle. Note down the definition of the diameter. Okay, and in the fourth again you have to draw a circle. उसके outer boundary पे you have to write down circumference, that is the circumference of the circle, and note down the definition of circumference. And some more points I have given in this module. Note down that points also. Go through it, learn it very well. Okay students, then we will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye.